Hello everyone and welcome to this video presentation. In this presentation, we will be using the Windows Easy Transfer to transfer settings and files and users from a Windows 7 computer to Windows 10 computer. For that activity, we will need a new computer, which I will create right now, which is PC2-Win10, and we will migrate the the PC1 Win7 that we had previously with different users and data. So we will transfer all the stuff from the PC1 Win7 to PC2 Win10. So I will start by creating this virtual machine and then we will continue after that. So now that this virtual machine is installed, let me log into it. First thing I need to do, I need to change the computer name. So I'll right click on the start menu. I'll go to system. So this computer name should be PC2-Win10. So I see that the name right now is not the right name. So I'll click on rename this PC. I'll type the PC2-Win10. I already installed the VirtualBox Guest Edition. So let me restart. So at the same time, we need to connect to the PC1 Win7 computer. So let me start the PC1 Win7 computer. Okay, so now the PC1 Win10 computer, we had it connected to, if I go to devices, network settings, it's connected to host only adapter. For the PC2-Win10, if I go to devices, network settings, it's connected to NAT. So I need to change the NAT to host only adapter, make sure that it's under same host only Ethernet adapter, and make sure that both computers have the cable connected. So once I do that, for this computer, we had already set it the IP address in a previous exercise. So I can go double check it here. For this one, we need to set it for right now because we just created this virtual machine. So let's go to Network and Sharing Center, Ethernet, Properties, and Internet Protocol. Here, this should be, if I look at my lab here, for the PC2-Win10 is 192.168.100.105. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So now these two computers can see each other because they are on the same network. So next step, what I need to do, because Windows Easy Transfer existed in Windows 7, it does not exist in Windows 10. So what I need to do here, I need to go under my computer. These are from previous lab, so I'll just disconnect this network these map drives. Okay, so now if I go to my C drive here under Windows, under System 32, there is a folder called MigWiz, Migration Wizard. I need to share this folder so I can access it from the other computer. So I will right click on it, go to Properties, go to the Sharing tab, and under the Advanced Sharing here, I will click on Share this folder. For the permission, I will give everyone full control. Click OK, OK, and close. So on the other computer here, I need to map a network drive that will allow me to see that computer. First of all, I see that I did not eject my guest edition, so I can right click on it here and click on eject to eject it. So now I don't have network drives here. I have only the local drive C and drive D. So I need to map a network drive. In a previous exercise, we saw how we can map a drive through a command line. In this exercise, we will do a mapping through the graphical user interface. So if I right click on this PC, I have the option map a network drive. So let's see in the lab which drive letter it's asking us to use. So we'll be using the drive letter Z. So we can pick the drive letter Z, and here we need to map a network drive to the path that we have here. What is the path that we have here? It's always / computer name / share name. If I go to the computer here, to the C drive, Windows, the System 32 folder, and I will check the MigWiz folder that I shared, I will see that the sharing is / PC1-Win7, which is this computer name, / MigWiz, which is the name of the share. So here I will type / PC1-Win7 / MigWiz. So I'll click on finish. So now I see that I have the shared folder is mapped now under this computer. So here I can access the utilities of the Windows Easy Transfer. So now if I go here to the start on the Windows 7 computer, or programs, accessories, system tools, is it under system tools? And I have the Windows Easy Transfer. So I will open my Windows Easy Transfer. On that computer, I had to go to the Z drive, which is the migration wizard, which is the Windows Easy Transfer on the other computer. So I will open it, and I will look for the migwiz.exe, which will open the same application here. So I have the Windows Easy Transfer, which does not include, it's not included by default in Windows 10, but I can use it because I shared it on the Windows 7. So on the Windows 7, if I click on next, I will have three options: the easy transfer cable, which I'm not using, the network, which I am using because these two computers are on the network, so we will be using the network, and the third option that we are not using right now, which if we can migrate all the stuff on an external USB flash drive or hard drive, we can plug it back to the new computer and continue the wizard. In our case, we are using the network, so we'll be choosing the network section. So on this one also, we'll be using the network. So first, on my source computer, which is the Windows 7, I will click on network, and it's telling me, it's asking me, which computer are you using right now? Is this my new computer or this is my old computer? So in my case, this is my old computer, so I will select that. So it generated a Windows Easy Transfer key that is randomly generated every time I run this wizard. On the new computer, I will select the network, and this is my new computer, so I will choose this is my new computer option here. Now, do I need to install it here or I already installed it? So my old computer is already running Windows 7, so I will choose that option. So now I click on next here and I have to type the Windows Easy Transfer key that is generated on the PC7 on the PC1-Win7. So it's 254833 and I will click on next. And you will see that as soon as I will click on next, both computers are trying to establish a connection and it's starting the verification and the transfer of the data. So now it started to scan the profiles that exist on the old computer. So I have administrator, Adam, admin, John, and Maria, and the shared items. So it's scanning one profile at a time. And when it will finish, it will give me the list of the size of for each profile. So I can select maybe to, if I don't want to transfer the administrator profile, I could uncheck it and so on. The thing here is at the end here, I have the advanced options because as you know, we have some accounts that exist on this computer, but not all of them. We have the administrator and admin that exist on this computer. So the administrator would be transferred to the administrator. Adam, it could not find a user called Adam. Admin, it found a user called admin. John and Maria, it did not find. So I have to go to Adam here and I will go on this side here. I will create a user. So I will create a user Adam with the password 01 and confirm it and create. So now Adam profile will be transferred to the newly created profile here. John, I will do the same thing, create new user. And Maria also. So now each profile of each user will be transferred to the corresponding profile. I will click on save and start the transfer. So it will transfer all the profiles. It should not take long in our exercise because there is nothing really on each profile, but in real life, when you do the migration, it depends on the size of the data that you have for the users. It could take a long time. So here I have two options, either see what was transferred and see a list of programs you might want to install on your new computer. As you see here on my PC1, I had Google Chrome, I had Adobe Reader, which I did not install here. So if I click on see list of programs you might want to install on the new computer, it tells me that Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is not installed, and Google also. The other ones are installed like Microsoft Edge or Oracle VirtualBox. They are installed. Microsoft.NET 4.8 is not installed. Okay, so it tells you what are the applications that were that you need to install here if you need them, because they were on the old computer. If I go to the second tab here, which is transfer report, it will tell me that it transferred 5 users. I can click on details here to see the users that were transferred: administrator, Adam, admin, John, and Maria. And in the details here, 194 documents were transferred, so it tells you exactly what documents were transferred. So that concludes this presentation of using Windows Easy Transfer to transfer files and settings from Windows 7 to Windows 10 computer.